Okay, so we have, I think except Asatavan, everybody has joined. Was he present in the team discussion?
Yes, sir. He was completely present, sir.
Right, so good evening, everybody, and it's a prayer time. I pray the Supreme God and the Dearest Almighty, my dad, that every single student who has joined here is bestowed upon the blessings and the abundance and glory in terms of wealth, health, knowledge, skills, and strength. I pray to God that each and every single student who has joined here gets extraordinary courage and the sustenance for their survival in the problems that could possibly arise in their path. I pray to God that by virtue of practicing the therapies and ideals and all the kinds of ideologies that are being suggested in MS evening sessions will always come handy for the students for facing their life and facing their obstacles and barricades that could possibly arise in the future. And I pray to God that every single student remains as a very good citizen, very good human being, and most importantly, a very good survivor. So God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah. Good evening.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So today we are having the final day for the cross exchange games. So we have from team Vishnupriya, we have Vishnupriya, Dakshin Siddharth, Brinda and Sanjay. And from team Ritan Nitish, we have Ritan Nitish, Sibi Adityan, Mitra, and Kalpita.
Sir, do you want me to close the door, sir?
No, it's okay. So you have 4 members.
Yes,
Fine,
sir.
fine.
Four, sir. Myself, Ritan, Ashwat Kaman, Kalpita, sir.
Sibi?
Five, sir.
Yeah, so 5
Five
and
members.
5 and 4. And today Mridubashni is absent. So first 5 minutes we are going to have a different kind of an activity. I'm going to place Sanjay in the middle. And all of you are going to ask some questions to Sanjay. Anything, any personal questions that you want to ask him. And I want him to answer. So Sanjay is going to be instilled into the credit trading system. Yes, of course, he has only 5 days of credit trading system remaining. But still he can score because that will be carried forward in the next credit trading system. The next credit trading system will be enacted from June 2nd to the next 100 days. The next span of 95 or 100 days. So today, since it's the first day for Sanjay on his credit rating system, I want him to take up a challenge. And the challenge is, initially I thought of giving him a spontaneous topic and make him speak as a presentation, but he needs a little bit of more time. For that, he is going to be answering some of your questions. He can answer in Tamil, he can answer in English, but he has to answer. So before the session, I spent a couple of minutes with Sanjay, and I had been telling him how he can come to terms. Because right now, Sanjay is the eldest person in this session. Sanjay, what's your date of birth?
December 13, sir.
December 30 or 13?
13, sir. 13, 2002.
2000?
2, sir.
Oh, 2002. All right.
Yes, sir.
So December 13, 2002. So he is now a college student and he needs a little bit of space. I have a small goal. And the goal is in 5 days, today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the next Monday on 31st, Sanjay should be comfortable in speaking, like Dakshin Siddharth, Mitra, Kalpita, Vishnupriya, they all speak. He has to be very comfortable. That's my short-term goal. For that, every single day, in the beginning, for 10 minutes, he is going to be in question and answer session. So, having said that, the second senior most person today in this class is Dakshin Siddharth. So, he will ask the question. Dakshin.
Okay. So Sanjana, can you hear me now?
Yes, Dakshin.
Anna, you can name one or two pieces of advice now, which anyone elder than you
Sorry?
might be given. I'm sorry, now can you hear me
I
now?
can't hear you properly. Yes, yes.
Yes, now. Anna, you can name one or two advices now that people elder than you, whom you admire, like whom you respect, they could have given you some advices right now, like right from when you were young, your teachers or your parents. Like, are there some
Yes.
advices which stand out the most now, which you find the most unique and applicable now? Like you're inspired by those advices. Any number of advices now, one or two or three, according to your convenience now.
எனக்கு என்ன அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா எல்லாரும் எப்பயுமே பேச சொல்லி தான் அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, வேற மற்றபடி எதுவும் பண்ணதில்லை. அவ்வளோதான், எனக்கு வேற எதுவும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க பெருசா. பிரேவா இருக்கணும், போல்டா பேசணும், கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இருக்கணும், அதான் சொல்லுவாங்க.
Okay, no, thank you.
Okay. நானும் அதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். All right. Okay, fine. So next, Dakshin, that was a good question.
Nice question, Dakshina.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, Dakshina.
Thank you.
Well done, Dakshina and Sanjay.
Thank you.
So Sanjay, the first person who asked the question was Dakshin Siddharth. He is in 11th grade. Now the second question that is going to be asked by is Kalpita Sri, and Kalpita Sri is in the 10th grade. So Kalpita.
Okay, sir. Good evening, Sanjay. I have one question towards you now. What is the one supreme quality that you would like to develop now after coming to this session? What do you like you have to develop in yourself now? Maybe one character or one small quality now.
Quality. I think I should develop my English first, then my confidence.
Okay, now thank you.
Okay. So English, spoken English you develop and the confidence. Now the next person who is going to ask the question is Vishnupriya, and Vishnupriya is also in the 10th grade. So Vishnupriya.
Yes, sir. So, Anna, you're the senior most person now in this MS evening sessions now. So, I would like to ask you this question. What are the advices that you wish to advise for the teenagers now?
Teenagers. I would advise them to read more books. That's it. Develops their knowledge as well as their language. I missed it actually. That's why lagging. Other than the subject thing, other than your school books, more books.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
And good attempt, Sanjay. And now the question is going to be asked by Aswathaman, who is in the 7th grade. Much junior to you, but he has a question. Aswathaman.
Okay, sir. So, Sanjay, now what is the biggest doubt you have in your life now?
Biggest doubt.
Yes, no.
Biggest doubt. God is present or not, I don't know.
Okay, na. Thank you. Na.
Okay. That is the reason why Sanjay is having this doubt, and I will tell you why he is thinking like that a little later. Okay. So now the next question is from another person. His name is Ritan Nitish. He is a 9th grade student. So Ritan Nitish, you.
Thank you, sir. So, Anna, my question is, in these past years, now you should have one particular fear that you can't overcome now, but somehow you overcome now. But how did you overcome that fear now?
Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you repeat it once?
Fear.
Nitin?
Yes, now.
உனக்கு ஏற்பட்ட ஒரு பெரிய பயம், அது என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு பயம், அந்த பயத்துல இருந்து நீ எப்படி மீண்டு வந்த அப்படிங்கறத ரித்தன் கேக்குற அப்படி.
பயம். அப்படி நான் இன்னும் அந்த பயத்துல இருந்து வரலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் சார். வேற ஏதோ அந்த பயம், ஸ்பேஸ தான் பயம். அது நான் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தெரியல எனக்கு சார்.
சரி, பரவாயில்ல. Okay. Now Mitra, who is also in the 9th grade, she is going to ask a question.
Good evening, Sanjay Anna. So we normally used to ask this question to every person who is joining this session. And the first question that we would ask now, what is your goal now? From childhood, you must be having in your mind, you want to become like this, and you want to enter into a particular profession now. So what is your goal or your ambition now?
My goal is to build an house by myself. By all means. That's it.
Build a house for who, Sanjay?
For my mother, me, and my brothers.
Okay.
Well done now.
Right, that's a good goal. Fine. The next person who is asking a question is, her name is Udeshri Brinda. She is a 10th grade student. And yes, Brinda.
Yes, sir. So, Anna, you are coming to the session for 2 to 3 days now, and you might have come across about IdeaPad now, and sir told you to do so. So, and also yesterday we have discussed about IdeaPad now. So, first time when you heard the word IdeaPad now, what do you mean? The complete meaning of what sir told now. So, what do you mean now? How you can improvise your IdeaPad? If you wrote any idea in your IdeaPad, means share it to us now. Sir, am I audible, sir?
இல்லம்மா, நீ ரொம்ப ஆடிபிளா இருக்க. ஆனா ஐடியா பேடுங்கிற விஷயத்தை பத்தி சஞ்சய்க்கு தெரியாது. நேத்து சஞ்சய் வரவே இல்லை. அதனால நீ கிளாஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணும்போது லிஸ்ட்ல போய் யார் யார் இருக்காங்க, யார் எப்போ வந்தாங்க அப்படிலாம் கூட பார்க்கலாம். போலீஸ் எல்லாம் உனக்கு பிடிச்சிடாது. என்னம்மா? ஓகே பிருந்தா?
No, sir, I forgot it, sir. He was absent yesterday, sir.
ஆமா, பிருந்தாவோட இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன? Forgot sir, sorry sir. இதுதான். பரவாயில்ல. நேத்து அவன் நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூன்னு சொல்லிட்டு வரவே இல்லை. நேத்து தான் நம்ம ஐடியா பேடை பத்தி பேசணும். ஐடியா பேட் அப்படிங்கிற விஷயத்தை பத்தி பேசும்போது அவன் இல்லவே இல்லை. நீ மேற்கொண்டு என்ன கேட்கிற? ஐடியா பேடை வந்து ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டீங்களா? அதுக்கு கும்பாபிஷேகம் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? எழுத ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டீங்களா? இது வரைக்கும் எக்ஸாம்ல கூட இப்படி ஒரு கொஸ்டின் அவன் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டான். கொஞ்சம் வேற ஏதாவது கேள்வி கேட்கறியா? ஐடியா பேடை பத்தி? சரி சரி, நான் அவனுக்கு ஐடியா பேடை பத்தி சொல்லி கொடுத்துக்கிறேன். சாரி, இப்ப நீ வேற ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் இருந்ததுன்னா கேளு.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have another question, sir. So, Anna, actually you are faced a lot of things now. Now you are in 12th now, and currently you are going to do your examination too now. So, in this time you have come to MS evening session now. So, before coming to this MS evening session, when your mom and parents told about you for the first time about MS evening session now, how do you feel about it now?
இது எனக்கு புதுசு. ஆக்சுவலாக இந்த மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கும்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது. இந்த மாதிரி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்லாம் நடக்கும் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் நான் கேள்விப்பட்டது கூட கிடையாது. ரொம்ப புது எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம். எங்கேயுமே நான் கேள்வி கூட டிஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. Brinda, that was a nice question. Very nice.
Well done, Ka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mitra.
Well done,
Any other question towards Sanjay?
Everyone.
So Aswathaman 1, Brinda 2, Dakshin 3, Kalpita 4, Ritan 5, Vishnupriya 6, Mitra 7. 7 questions have been asked to Sanjay.
Very well done, Satyana. You answered really well now. Very well done, now.
Well done, Sanjayana.
Thank you.
Well done, Sanjayana.
So Sanjay Anna, நான் ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்கலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. சஞ்சய், உன்னுடைய மிகப்பெரிய சேலஞ்ச், அந்த சேலஞ்சிலிருந்து மீண்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சில விஷயங்களை பத்தி யோசிச்சு அதுல இருந்து நம்ம மீண்டு வரணும்னு நினைக்கும் போது பல்ல கடிப்போம், மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரு பயங்கரமான ஒரு வைராகியம் இருக்கும், கண்ணை தண்ணி மட்ட 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 மட்டன்னு வரும். ஒலிம்பிக்ஸ்ல அந்த 100 மீட்டர் டேஷ்ல ஸ்டார்ட் லைன்ல ஒருத்தர் உட்காந்துட்டு அந்த ஃபினிஷ் லைன் அங்கிருந்து பார்க்கும்போது இருக்கிற அந்த தவிப்பு, யோ ஜெயிச்சுமே, ஜெயிச்சா எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு விஷயம் மைண்ட்ல இருந்தா அது ஹார்ட்டுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லது. டோட்டல் பாடி சிஸ்டத்தை வந்து அது அப்படியே ஃபுல்லா ஒரு லோகோமோட்டிவ் இன்ஜின் மாதிரி வேலை செய்ய வைக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒண்ணு இங்க எம்எஸ் ஈவினிங் செஷன்ல இருக்கிற அத்தனை பசங்க பொண்ணுங்களுக்கும் ஏதோ ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. என் குழந்தை மித்ரா, மற்ற குழந்தைங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒண்ணு இருக்கு, டெஃபினட்டா ஏதோ ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. அது எனக்கு என்னங்கிறதும் தெரியும். ஒரு தக்ஷனுக்கோ இல்லை ஒரு கல்பிதாவுக்கோ இல்லை ஒரு விஷ்ணுபிரியாவுக்கோ இல்லை ஒரு பிருந்தாவுக்கோ இல்லை ஒரு அஸ்வத்தாமனுக்கோ ரித்தனுக்கோ, ஈவன் சிபி அவ்வளோ சின்ன குழந்தை அவனுக்கோ அந்த மாதிரி என்னங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியும். அது இல்லைன்னாலும் நான் உருவாக்குறதுக்கு முயற்சி பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கும் ஒண்ணு இருக்கு, ஒன்றும் இல்லை, எனக்கு 100 எண்ணம் இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு விஷயம். ஓகே, நீ ஒரு பெரிய கோல் அப்படிங்கறது இப்ப மித்ராவுக்கு ஆன்சரா சொன்ன, உங்க அம்மாவுக்கு ஒரு வீடு கட்டி கொடுக்கணும்ட்டு. உன் தம்பி ஒருத்தர் இருக்கான், அவனுக்கும் சேர்த்து நீ அதை பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிற. உனக்கு எனக்கு ஒரு ஒற்றுமை இருக்குன்னு நான் சொன்னேன். எங்க அப்பாவும் என்னை விட்டு போய் 5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு, உங்க அப்பாவும் உன்னை விட்டு போய் 5 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. ஸோ அது ஒரு பெரிய ஃபியூவல். என்னன்னு கேட்டா, எனக்கு உனக்கு ஒரு பெரிய அட்வான்டேஜ் இருக்கு. அந்த அட்வான்டேஜ் என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, ஒரு கல்பிதாவோ இல்ல ஒரு விஷ்ணுபிரியாவோ இல்ல ஒரு ரித்தனுக்கோ கூட அந்த அட்வான்டேஜ் கிடையாது. பட் எனக்கு உனக்கு இருக்கு. என்னன்னா, கடவுள் இருக்காரா இல்லையான்னு இப்ப நீ யோசிச்சு இல்ல, கடவுளை பத்தி எனக்கு தெரியாது. ஆனா கடவுளுக்கும் உனக்கும் நடுவுல இப்போ ஒரு மெசஞ்சர் இருக்காரு. கடவுளுடைய கடைக்கண் பார்வை தான் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஆனா ஒரு மெசஞ்சர் இருந்தா அந்த கடைக்கண் பார்வைங்கிறது ஃபுல் பார்வை நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும்னு இதிகாசங்கள்ல சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கு. ஸோ உனக்கும் அப்படி ஒரு மெசஞ்சர் இருக்காரு, எனக்கும் அப்படி ஒரு மெசஞ்சர் இருக்காரு. ஸோ இனிமேதான் வாழ்க்கை வந்து ஈஸியா இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ அப்படி அந்த ஒரு உண்மையை உனக்கு நான் இப்ப சொல்லி புரிய வச்ச பிறகு, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மெசஞ்சர் இருக்காரு அப்படிங்கறத தெரிஞ்ச பிறகு, அந்த வெறித்தனமான ஒரு விஷயத்தை நான் அடைஞ்சே தீரணும், அந்த சேலஞ்சை நான் மீண்டு வந்தே ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு நீ நினைக்கிற அப்படி ஒரு விஷயம் என்னது? இதுதான் என்னுடைய கொஸ்டின். இதுவரைக்கும் அப்படி எதுவும் இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா, அதான் இதுவரைக்கும் அப்படி எதுவும் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா, இனிமே உன்னை நீ உருவாக்கி ஆகணும். அந்த உருவாக்குறது இப்பவே நீ உருவாக்கி எனக்கு சொல்லணும். சொல்லு.
என் கோல் எய்ம் எல்லாம் அதான் சார், என் வீடு கட்டுறதுதான். அதுதான் என் சேலஞ்சு.
என்னது? சரியா கேட்கல.
கோல் எய்ம் எல்லாம் வீடு கட்டுறது தான் சார், அதான் சேலஞ்ச் எனக்கு.
ஸோ அது 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 ஒண்ணுதான் ஒரு பெரிய தீபம் மாதிரி எரிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்குன்ற, அதை விட பெரிய சேலஞ்ச் எதுவும் இல்லைன்ற இல்லையா? சரி,
ஆமா
இந்த கிளாஸ் இதுக்கு இன்னைக்கு நீ அட்டன் பண்றது 2வது செஷன். இந்த கிளாஸ் அப்படி ஒரு பெரிய சேலஞ்ச, அந்த ஒரு பெரிய லட்சியத்தை அச்சீவ் பண்றதுக்கு எந்த வகையில யூஸ் ஆகும்னு உனக்கு தோணுது?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் கம்யூனிகேஷன் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க.
ஓகே,
அதுவே ஒரு பெரிய ப்ளஸ் தான். அப்புறம் நீங்க ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் எப்படி ஃபேஸ் பண்ற சொல்லி தெரியும். நெக்ஸ்ட்
ரைட் ரைட் ரைட். ஸோ அப்போ இந்த கிளாஸ் உனக்கு வந்து இம்பார்ட்டண்டா இருக்கும்னு நீ நினைக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்க. ஸோ இதை மிஸ் பண்ணாம வந்தீங்கன்னா டெஃபினட்டா உன்னுடைய கோலை அச்சீவ் பண்றதுக்கான முயற்சிகளை என்னால உனக்கு இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும். அது உனக்கு அந்த விஷயத்தை நீ நம்புறீல?
எஸ் சார், தேங்க் யூ சார். ஆமா சார்.
ஓகே ரைட், அவ்வளவுதான். ஸோ இதுதான் இன்னைக்கு நான் உனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 10 நிமிஷத்துல பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்ட விஷயம். இந்த மாதிரி டெய்லி ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் பண்ண பண்ண யூ வில் பி ஆல் ரைட். நீயும் இவங்களுடைய ஃப்ளோக்கு வந்துடும்.
ஓகே சார், தேங்க் யூ.
Well done, ma'am. All the best.
All the very best, Sanjay Anna.
All the best, Sanjay Anna.
Thank you.
Well done, Anna. All the best.
தேங்க்ஸ் சார்.
அண்ட் இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் சஞ்சய், எப்பெல்லாம் உனக்கு ஐ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் நீ பாண்டிச்சேரியிலேருந்து அட்டன் பண்ற, உனக்கு நெட்வொர்க் எப்போ டவுனா இருக்கு, சப்போஸ் கட் ஆயிரும் இல்லை உன்னால டிஸ்கண்டினியூ பண்ற ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் அப்படின்னா நீ ஃப்ராங்கா என்கிட்ட சொல்லிடு, சாட்ல சொல்லிடு, இல்லாட்டி மைக்ல சொல்லிடு, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஓகே
ஓகே சார்.
ரைட். So Sanjay's mom spoke to me yesterday and she said she will get him a new device very soon, because right now he is having a device which has got the charge getting down very fast. So அவன் இருக்கிறதுக்குள்ள அந்த செஷன்ல அட்டன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற அந்த ஸ்பேன்குள்ள சஞ்சய்க்கு நிறைய ஸ்கோப் கொடுக்கிற அந்த முயற்சியை பண்ணுங்க டீம் விஷ்ணுபிரியா. ஓகே
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, sure.
Take care of this. We have no.
Okay. So yesterday we had a wonderful round got completed. So now the third and final round of the cross exchange games. So today also team Vishnupriya, you can hand over the game to team Ritan. Proceeding starts. Go.
Okay, sir.
So,
Shall I
Dakshana, can you
share
share
the
the
screen?
screen?
So no Netflix, sir. I removed it, sir.
No Netflix. Good. டெஸ்க்டாப்ல இருந்து ரிமூவ் பண்ணி எனக்கா ஒளிச்சு வச்சிருக்கியா இல்ல சிஸ்டம்ல இருந்தே தூக்கிட்டியா?
Sir, தூக்கியாச்சு, sir.
சூப்பரா.
Thank you, sir.
3 points bonus for you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Can we start, sir?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, sir. So good evening, one and all present here. So now we are going to give you the challenge of debate competition, international debate competition, in which this international debate competition is going to be held in New Delhi for the year 2021, and the team Ritan would be participating in this international debate, who's representing the country India, and the names would be said by Dakshinana.
Okay, so thank you, Vishnupriya. The first person to be selected for this for the Indian national debate team is Sarvesh Kumar from Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. It's played by Sibi Adityan. His age will be 16 here, and he's the youngest of the lot, along with Sharon, which will be played by Kalpita. And Anamika Ravi will be played by Mitra, and she's from Aditya Srinivasan will be played by Ashwathaman, who's also from Tamil Nadu. So he's the only person from Tamil Nadu in this team. And Mohammad Babar will be from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, and will be played by Ritan Nitish. And Sharon Peterson will be from Alappuzha, Kerala, and it will also be, she's also the joint youngest person in this team, along with Sarvesh Kumar, and this role will be played by Kalpita. And now let's go to the next slide. Now, here are some rules and regulations of this particular debate. And the first one will be the teams will be given 7 minutes to discuss about their choices of topics, splitting of sub teams and preparation. A grace of 2 or 3 minutes shall also be granted. So you'll be given to the max 10 minutes to discuss about the following things: your choices of topics and your splitting of sub teams. So you have to divide yourselves into a sub like two sub teams, one with 3 members and the other with 2 members. And within the 10 minutes, you can also like take down some notes. But all the debates will be very short, within 5 or 6 minutes, so it will be enough. And the next one is the main teams of various countries must split themselves into sub teams. So as I mentioned, you have to split yourselves into two sub teams with 3 members on one side and 2 members on the other side, and you have to debate among yourselves. Okay, the teams can choose 2 topics if they want to debate for 10 minutes. They also have the liberty to choose 3 topics if they want to debate for 15 minutes. And there'll be time extensions of 2 or 3 minutes. So if you choose 2 topics for debate, you'll have maximum 13 minutes. So you can go with 6 minutes for one debate and 7 minutes for another debate if you want. And if you want to do 3 debates, then you will be granted 15 plus 3 to the max. So you can take 18 minutes for doing 3 debates, and you can take 6 minutes for each. And here are the most important things: each debate must have proper participation from all team members, and each debate must have a proper conclusion. So now I call upon Brinda to explain some of the topics.
So these are all the topics for our debate competition. The first topic is joint family is better than nuclear family. So you have to like debate for joint family or nuclear family. And second one is online schooling is better than or direct classes are better. So you have to differentiate between both the session or both the perspective of classes. And the third debate topic is Kindle is better than hard copies of books. Is any online reading books are better, like it might be from like Kindle website, so or hard copies of books is better. So you have to mention that you have to debate on that. And third one is doing games on online, like whatever game it might be some online games, or doing physical games is better. So it is continued by Sanjay Anna.
Sanjay, now you have to explain last one now.
Yes, now the idea which you give now. And you can tell the reason why you gave that.
Should public exam be conducted or not? Pandemic situation. There are many are saying that many are asking questions again and again this question. So I want to debate on that.
Okay, now thank you. And this topic: have video calls replaced the pleasure of interacting with our relatives live? So Vishnu Priya, you can explain this topic since it was left out.
Yes, no. So many of them, due to this pandemic, we are all meeting our relatives and friends only through video calls, not by going to their house and seeing them. But before this, or even before this technology came of video calls, everyone has to see their relatives going to their house, and they can have the without the virtual interaction, that they can have direct interaction, and they can have physical games played, and they can without all these network issues, all things can be having in the if we are direct with our relatives and friends. So we have to just know that have is video calls better, or the meeting our relatives live better?
Yes, sir. These were the topics, sir, and these were some of the rules also, sir.
Okay, so understandably, Team Vishnupriya has given the debate context for Team Ritan Nitish this time around, and that's the decisive third round. So, does Team Ritan have any questions towards their task?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, Vishnupriya, how much did you mention as the team talk time?
Seven minutes, sir.
With
And 2 to
extension,
3 minutes extension, sir.
but the max
So, totally
around
10 minutes, 10 minutes around, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so if there are no questions, now I hand over the session to Team Ritan Nitish because they need to hand over.
Okay, sir.
You can come here. if you want.
Okay, sir.
I'm handing over the system to Mitra because she wants to make a presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Sibi.
Sir, my phone is erroring, sir. Can I leave and join, sir?
Okay.
Friends, are you able to view my screen?
Yes, Mitra.
Yes,
Yes,
Mitra.
Mitra.
Okay, now. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Screen operating.
Abhin also. Okay, sir. Ritan, you can start, Ritan.
Okay, are you able to hear me, friends?
Yes, Mitra.
Yes, Ritan.
Oh, thank you, friends. So, hello everyone, one and all present here. So, we are here for the round 3 of the RMAC company. So, here we are going to test out that I guys around historical things. So, first, there are 4 members in your team. They have to be divided into 2 teams, and one team will be handling the phase 1 of the activity, and the another team will be handling the phase 2 of the activity. And in the phase 1 it's going to be like a presentation phase, and phase 2 will be like skit phase. And in the presentation phase there will be 4 characters who are all one of the most important persons in the Indian independence war and the war things. And the 4 members which we have took out, and in the round 1 the people there are 4 members, as I said, into 2 teams. So team 1 can pick 2 members from the first 4 peoples. I hope it's understanding for everyone. So there will be 4 members explained by each 4 of us. Myself, Sibi Adityan and Ashwathaman will be explaining the last 2. So now Sibi Adityan will continue.
Before Sibiadithan starts about the persons, now I would like to speak about the phase 1. I'm going to elaborate what is phase 1. So this is phase 1. That is, we are giving you 4 important wars that have happened in India and also in US. The first war is going to be the Great Rebellion of 1857, also known as the Great Revolt of 1857. The second one is the Anglo-Mysore War. The third one is Third Battle of Panipat. And the fourth one is Civil War of America. So we will explain you in detail. That is Ashwathaman, Ritan, Nitish and Sivi are going to explain about that in detail. But before that, I am going to elaborate what is the base of phase 1. So phase 1 is, so you can divide yourself. You are 4 in number, so you can divide yourself into 2 teams. One team consists of 2 members. The members' choice is yours. You can decide it in the team talk, and you have to let us know. So what you have to do is the team which is going to present phase 1. For them, I am explaining this. So out of 4 wars, you will have to choose any 2 wars. For each war, we must have given one particular character. For example, if it is Great Revolt of 1857, it's an example. If we have given Mangal Pandey, we must have given certain situations also, certain situations and information with it. So we must, at the end of the slide, we must have mentioned one particular question. What would you have done if you were Mangal Pandey in that particular situation? Let's imagine this situation. Mangal Pandey was at the start of the Great Revolt of 1857. Mangal Pandey was forced to use the Enfield rifle by British soldiers. So let us take Vishnu Priyaka as an example. If she is playing as the role of Mangal Pandey, her name will be Mangal Pandey. She is not Vishnu Priya now, but the traits that Vishnu Priyaka has applies for Mangal Pandey. She is really good in communication. Her leadership style is different. She actually speaks very soft and sweet. So you can incorporate all those. When she speaks, it could convince others. The convincing talent that she has, she could incorporate all those into the character of Mangal Pandey, and she will have to handle that particular situation. She will have to mention some solutions. If she was Mangal Pandey, she must mention some solutions like, I would have done like this. I would have asked someone to help. So these are the things you have to. It's more like simulation. You have to simulate yourself as that particular person. So now I would like to call upon Sibi to say about the first war, that is the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Sibi, over to you.
So good evening, friends. I'm speaking about Indian reborn of 1857.
Come on, Sibi.
Come on, Sibi.
Okay. Kalpita, try to help him. Can you add on?
Yes, sir. Sir, Sibi was about to explain about the Indian Rebellion of 1857, sir. In this, the main character is Nana Sahib, sir. Under the leadership of Tantia Top, this rebellion happened, and that's why we have mentioned Tantia Top also here, sir. And he was the one who carried the revolt along with he was the one who carried the revolt, sir. And the person who is choosing this have to imagine themselves as Nana Sahib and give the solutions for the problems, sir. Or else they can also make any changes if they want, sir.
Next, I would call upon Dithan Nitish to continue with his part.
So next is the Anglo-Mysore War, and the main characters are Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. And this war happened from 1767 to 1799. And in this time, after the second war, Hyder Ali died not because of he went for a war and died. He died because of a cancer problem. And after that, there were few treaties signed by the Indian peoples. One was peace treaty and another was Srirangapattinam treaty after second and third Anglo-Mysore war respectively. And what would you do if you are Hyder Ali or Tipu Sultan? Continued by Aswathaman.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Ashwathaman, and I'll explain the state of war, which is the American Civil War. The character you get here is Abraham Lincoln, and the year is from 1861 to May 1865. So, the war is between the northern state and the southern state, which over the issue of slavery. Actually speaking, that the northern state opposes the slavery and the southern state are the advocates of slavery. And the good news is that the slavery was the slavery was abolished in 1863, and the people of the northern state were manufacturers while the people of the southern state were the farmers. And your question here is, if you ever pick this, what you will have to give the solution as Abraham Lincoln. So next is the third battle of Panipat. So in the third battle of Panipat, you will get the character. You'll get the character as, one second, please. You'll get the character. Yeah, you'll get the character who is Akbar. Sorry, who is Shah, and the year is 1761, and this happened between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Balaji Baji Rao, and it came to an end to Maratha power. The third battle of Panipat was fought between the Maratha and the Durrani Empire on January 14th, 1761, and it was a defeat for the Marathas. Marathas was led by the Sadashivaro Bau, and the Afghan army led by was led by Ahmad Shah Abdali. And if you pick this, you'll have to answer the question. I have to give the solution for this as Ahmad Shah Abdali. So over to the next person.
Now I would like to explain the phase 2 part. The thing we have seen in the phase 1 was clearly explained by other team members. Now I would like to explain about the phase 2. It is going to be a skit where you have to choose one great Indian leader. It could be of any patriotic leader or the leader whom you admired a lot, and one mandatory character is that one character should be straight contrasting to the Indian leader. If suppose we take Gandhiji, and we all know he's patriotic and he goes with non-violence. The other character should be of violence and the person who never knows about patriotism and passion. That is going to be the one main thing that is going to be mandatory, and the team have to perform a script, and we have also given the genre. It is science fiction or humor. You can choose either of this. In the script, you have to include all these three. You have to say a social message or even a solution. A teenager without goal, an entrepreneur without hope, and you have to say a social message for a youngster who have no idea on life. Now I would like to call Sibi to explain the time. Sibi, explain about the time. Sibi.
Okay, ka. Okay, ka. I will explain, ka. Team talk 7 minutes with 3 minutes sections, and presentation time will be 15 minutes and 3 minutes extension. Thank you.
In our explanation.
So team Vishnu Priyaka, for this presentation, we have given you 18 minutes. You can separate, it's your wish how you are going to separate, because you are having two phases, right? So you can separate whether you are going with 9 minutes for your presentation and 9 minutes for your skit, or with any type of stipulation you can go ahead. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity, sir. All the best, all the very best, team Vishnu Priyaka.
So, Team Vishnupriya, if you got any questions to be asked to Team Ritan's game setup, you can ask. Vishnupriya. Summa left.
Sir.
Okay, Dakshin Brinda, do you have any question? Yeah, Dakshin, your hand is raised.
Yes, sir. Sir, so
Wait.
yes,
Wait. Vishnu Priya.
Yes, sir.
Yenna chumma left into. Why are you leaving concurrently? Can't you fix up your issues?
Sir, if screen is shared, sir, after that I can't see your video, sir. That's why I'm leaving and joining, sir.
நீ வச்சிருக்கிறது என்ன பட்டன் போனா லேப்டாப்ல இல்லையா உங்ககிட்ட வேண்டாம் அதுக்கெல்லாம் லேப்டாப் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஆடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க இதுக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியது லேப்டாப் சும்மா செஷன் ஆரம்பிச்சதுல இதோட 20 தடவை லெஃப்ட் ஜாயிண்ட் இருந்தா அப்புறம் என்ன ஃபோக்கஸ் இருக்கு உனக்கு Dakshin, what's your question?
yes, sir. So, team, Ritan, my question to you is like in the skit, the phase 2, only 2 members should be involved in the skit, right?
Yes, now if you want, you can have some additional characters. Now the main motto of this is to do something with the available resources. Now and that's why we have prepared this. Now, Mitra, if you want to add something, you can add. Mitra.
Yes, I was about to say the same. So Dakshina, if you want any person in excess now, while you are discussing in the team talk itself, you can mention the character to that respective person now, so they can actually switch role from presentation to the skit now. So no problem now.
Okay, Mitra. Okay. So all 4 can also skit, right?
Yes, now.
But the other 2 should be main. Like the
yes, now.
So not participating.
Yes,
okay.
Okay, Brinda, you can ask your question.
Team, I have a question that 2 phrases should be it should be divided into 2, and first part of the phrase should be participated first and completely, and next only we have to start the next phrase, or we can start as a continuation.
You'll have to start with phase 1, ka. So immediately what you're asking is you'll have to start with phase 1, and immediately once you complete presenting or once you complete giving the speech, you can go with phase 2, ka. No problem.
Okay, we cannot connect the phase 1 and phase 2, right? We have to phase 1 as a one part and phase 2 as a one part.
Yes, ka.
Thank you, Mitra.
Okay, both the teams can go to their respective meeting rooms, and both the teams have given a maximum of 10 minutes as their team talk time. So you are going to have 10 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So go to your respective team windows, and I'll then start the timer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Record option.